Good day, welcome back. I think I just got a little short video for you today. I went and picked the rest of the tomatoes and weighed them out, the green tomatoes, ripe tomatoes and all. And then I grabbed a few of the really nice apples that was still hanging to the tree. It's that time of year, folks. You get up in the morning and it's just barely above freezing, and you think, I know in a couple of hours it's going to be comfortably warm out, so do I really want to go out right away? It's about 10:30 now, and we haven't picked the tomatoes yet. Now, I can give you the weight of what I'm going to pick here today, but of course I have been picking tomatoes for a while, and just a few here and there, and they'll be on the final weight, but not on today's weight. So I'm going to go through and see what I can find, green, red, yellow, whatever, and put them in that bowl. Got to put you over here so the sun's not a problem. Falling over like that, shame on you. There's quite a few tomatoes in there and it's going to take a while, so I'll turn off the camera and I'll show you what I got when I'm done. I think I got them all from here. Some of these plants still have flowers on them, see that? But I took all the tomatoes I could find, and those are still alive. I'll just leave them there and let them do their thing. I had to go and get a second bowl. So that was the first bowl. This one's a little bigger, and we have another tomato plant. So this is that volunteer tomato. It was kind of late putting on fruit. It was down among the onions, and there's a little onion that I missed. Like I said, it was late putting on fruit, and it's teardrop shaped fruit, but big. So maybe a hybrid of yellow pear. Let's see what's on this now. I'll probably tear up the plant, but yeah. There is quite a bit, you see there, all in through there, but they're all still green. So that is quite a few tomatoes. I'll bring them in the house and I'll weigh them out in batches with the ice cream container so I can get the weight to the nearest gram, and then I'll put it up on the screen. Now the apples is something else I didn't record every time I come out to get a few. You see those beautiful apples up there? The wind didn't shake them off. So I'm going to use the pole pruner and hook it around the branch and shake them off now. Whatever beautiful ones I see. I basically just have to touch the apple. They're fully ripe and ready to fall. I'm going to go with that now. If the inspiration strikes someday, I might get some more. Of course, this grabber is good for more than just setting garlic. But look at these. Just one little spot on that one. Beautiful apples. You need areas on your tree where the wind can get through and that fungus can't collect on the apples. Other than that, normally you can just have an organic apple tree that you don't have to spray. Over the year, I harvested 33.3 pounds of tomatoes and 185 pounds of apples. So that's those two crops for this year. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I shall see you in the next one.